how to download and install Cash App on Android 2024. So if you want to either download or install the Cash App application on your Android phone, it's very simple to do so. Now normally you can just go to your Play Store and just try searching for Cash App, and if it shows up, that's perfectly fine right here, but in my case it's not showing up. So to actually show up, there is a hidden way to do this. You can also simply open a browser, and in the browser just type in Cash App Play Store. So when you type in Cash App Play Store and hit the search bar, now you will see the Play Store link of Cash App, where you can simply open it up like this, and now you'll find the blue install button, where now if you tap on it, you will be able to go ahead and then install the Cash App on your phone. This way you'll be able to download and install Cash App on Android. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.